There is no rule book when to take a break or where to take a break in videos or where to retake the videos. Guys, let me tell you, my videos, I don't retake it. I just record the way it is being recorded because I am not bothered. I am not bothered whether this video good or bad. We are here to practice. We are here to share our perspective, and we are here to show that we are enough capable to speak in front of people. Just doing editing or doing a retake would not prove you that you are a good video maker. There are people who believe that they want to beautify their videos in a most appropriate way and they want to present in front of people. Guys, I am not of that opinion. Your perspective or your opinion may be different, but I am not thinking in that way. I want to record all my videos the way they are. I'm not bothered whether this video is going wrong, whether I am speaking right or wrong. Maybe I am putting my wrong perspective, right perspective. I do not know. I simply not worried. I am simply not bothered. We all are here to speak. We are all here to practice, and just editing the video is not an option. I believe that. So here I am sharing my perspective, and I don't agree, and I don't expect that you should agree on my perspective. Your perspective may be different. So in my view, I don't retake the videos, and I don't recommend anybody to retake the videos. Why to retake? Why to beautify the video? Let it throw the way you are. The way you are, no issue. There may be some wrong pronunciation, there may be some wrong grammar, there may be some wrong English. Let it be. After recording the video, when you watch your own video, you would able to know your body language, your spoken English, your pronunciation, your facial expression, the way you look at that video. Let it be, no issue. I don't bother. I generally don't take retakes in my video. You would have seen my video, all those are start to end. I don't take much effort on taking retake that, because while you are doing retake, you are trying to be a more perfect. And guys, let me tell you, who is perfect in this world? Nobody is perfect in this world. You are just trying to show the world that yes, after doing retake, I am the perfect man or a perfect woman. No. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I would request you all, this is a request, not a compulsion. Let the video flow, let it go the way you are being shot today. Retake is not an option, and there is no rule book. As I started this video with this quote, there is no rule book in this world where and when to retake your videos. No, let it flow. We all know we are here to practice. We are all here to listen to each other. We all know what is our perspective. We should know what is our opinion in this particular topic. So I am focusing on my content. I am focusing on my after content. The only thing which I am focusing on, that is the audio quality. Because if it does not reach, the audio does not reach to you properly, you will not able to understand what I am trying to say. My voice is little bit of fat in terms of when I record something. If my audio quality is not good, then you will not enjoy, or you will not understand what I am trying to say in this video. So I focus on only two things. One is my content, and second is my audio quality. That's it. Otherwise I am not bothered about whether my video is going good or bad or something. Yeah, definitely I like to follow the rules of public speaking, and yes, we all are here to follow that rule. It's a Bible, it's a rule book given by Mr. Praveen Vadalkar, and we should follow that rule. We should follow the rules and regulation of public speaking, and then only we can do practice. And once you do the practice with a correct rule book, you will learn anything. So my view, I don't agree, and I don't recommend anyone to retake it. So people take retakes because they want to show that perfection, they want to show that beauty of their videos in front of people, that whatever they are doing great. I am not of that opinion. I believe in simplicity. Whatever you are being shot, whatever you are being recorded, you have to show the way you are today. So guys, this is my perspective. You might you might not agree to this, or you might be disagree to this, or you may not be liking what I am saying, but this is my perspective. Whether you are agree, speak for 5 to 7 minutes. If you are disagree, still speak to 5 to 7 minutes, but at least we have to speak something. You have to speak something, you have to speak something, you have to speak something, and show your perspective. Not necessary your perspective is agreed by all. Everyone has their different opinion, everyone has their different point of view. Let it be, guys. Don't worry, just make it. Do not worry about a retake. After all, it's your decision. If your decision whether to retake or not. I have shared my perspective. With this note, this is Vishal More signing out until we meet next.